Hello everyone, welcome to Jonotech. Today we're going to go through a brief maintenance cleaning cycle for Delonghi Magnifica XS. Please note that I'm not OCD like some of you may be, so it's not about keeping it sparkly clean, but about keeping the machine in good condition so it can last a long time without breaking. First of all, if your machine is on, please make sure you turn it off. I'm turning this off right now, and while the machine is turning off, I'm gonna dust off a little bit, and I have a cup below the spout for self rinse cycle when it turns on and off, and we're gonna move that out of the way. When the machine is completely off, let's go ahead and unplug the cord for our safety. Alright, let's go ahead and remove the water tank. And there's a door that says pull to open. Let's pull and open it. And you can push the two red buttons and pull the infuser and clean it. However, right now we're gonna put a napkin so it can catch coffee grounds, and I can set it aside for now. And now we can clean the chamber inside, including the door latch. You can start and finish with the paper towel, and it's not gonna be always perfect. But if you have a brush that you can use, it'll make it easier. I have a set of 6 brushes I got for my car interior, which works really good, and I think it works better than my hand and napkin, and I'm pretty happy that I have it. And if you want one, I left an Amazon link down below at the description, which Amazon will pay me a small commission if you use my link. But if you don't want to use a brush, that's fine, but using one will make your job a whole lot easier. And all the coffee grounds that we're brushing off inside of the chamber are gonna be behind of this tray right here. We're gonna dump that out, and we'll do more cleaning from here. And then we're gonna clean the spouts with the napkin. And the manual says this infuser can be immersed in water, but do not use dish soap as it could be damaged. So we're gonna immerse it in the water and clean it. And if you can immerse it in the water, you can use running water to clean it, right? I cleaned it this way for 4.5 years and never had trouble. And I also cleaned the drip tray and the coffee ground container with the dish soap. And I'm using fresh napkins to dry all the parts, especially this infuser, since it's a machine and moving part. I want it to dry as much as possible. And before we put it together, we're gonna make sure all the coffee grounds are outside, and we'll vacuum it out. And now is the time to put infuser back, and when you put that back, you should hear it click. And then let's put the drip tray and coffee grounds container back to the machine, and water container back into the machine. And lastly, plug that cord back in, and we are done. And notice all the lights are on when you plug that in. That's normal. And we are ready for another cup of coffee. And I'm just gonna turn it on and go through the self-clean rinse cycle one more time. if you want, we can have another cup of coffee at this time. And that's it for today. If you have any question or concern, please leave it down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later with another device. Thank you.